Everyone, welcome back. So in this video we will learn how to make a flask app. So basically we will learn to make flask app because in our next videos we will make our new microservice using the flask app. So for that we should know how to make it. So let's get start. So let me first search how to create a flask app in Python. So for that I think this link will be good. Yeah, this one will be good. So basically I have to import this library from flask, import flask, then initialize this with the variable app equal to flask, uh, that the underscore name, then underscore. So this is the syntax. And then basically then this is the for routing, route string. This is the default route. So on like something like domain name slash will trigger this function return hello world. So let me build this. So I will, so let's make a new file for flask app. Let me name it as flask app dot py. It is basically a Python file. Okay, so I will just copy this code to import library to make my life easy. Okay, and then this is the function. Let me copy this also. So this is the default. So what basically this says that when you route it and the route string is slash, run this function. So instead of slash you can add your any customized name. So let's say I will add hello, something like this route string. So this will run when a user make a API request to domain name slash hello, this will trigger this function, route function, and which will basically returning the hello world. So this is what this is the main important thing of flask app, which helps you to make the route functions and process your API request. So to run this flask app, when you run this Python file as in the terminal, you will run it as a python 3 flask app.py. So to run this flask, you should also in that run this app, flask app. So for that the syntax, let me search. Python file. This is kind of, yeah, this is, so this is the code. Copy it. Yeah, so if name is equal to main, we will run this flask app which we have defined here on the host or port 8000, debug equal to true. It host is this means 0.0.0.0, and it will run on our local machine on port number 8000, and we have set to debug equal to true. Okay,